Uh, Good morning, dear friends. Today we will discuss one of the important aspect of Indian history, that is archaeology. And today we will discuss the archaeological theory and methods. As you know, archaeology is a major source of history. And so far as archaeology is concerned, the term archaeology derives from Greek word archaeos means ancient and logos means discussion or science. So the archaeology means the study of human past through material remains. And on the basis of, as you know, the scripts, we divided history into history, proto-history, and prehistory. And so far as the goals of archaeology is concerned, generally there are three important goals in archaeology. One is form, second is function, and the third one is process. Form means a archaeological evidence and its distribution in the time and space. This is called form. Function means archaeological evidence and thereby construct or models of ancient behavior. This is called function. And the third one is process, means means the culture determine how and why culture change. So these are three important aspect goals of archaeology, that is form, function, and process. And in archaeology, we are using various terminology, that is archaeological site, the mound, formation, layer, stratigraphy, artifacts, feature, ecofacts, assemblage, and so on. And what is artifacts? Artifacts means any kind of portable objects made, fashioned, modified, or used by human beings are known as artifacts. For example, pottery, beads, coins, ornaments. These are the artifacts. What is feature? Feature means all type of non-portable objects or artifacts such as hearth, structure, floors, walls, portals, known as the features. And both artifacts and their features are the product of a human activity or workmanship. These are the beads, the artifacts, and the coins. Uh, this is the structure. This is called feature. This is the non-portable objects. This is also the temple. The structure, the house structures, and this is the hearth house structures. This is the features, and this is the plates. These plates are retrieved from the excavations, so these are the artifacts. And what is ecofact? Ecofact means ecofacts are the non-artificial evidence which include, both inorganic and organic. When we are talking about the inorganic means ecofacts like geological samples, minerals, volcanic ash, you know and organic ecofacts means skull, teeth, cell, bones. These are the uh, both inorganic and organic ecofacts. Then, so far the kinds of archaeology is concerned, there are many branches of archaeology that deal with different aspects of the material remains collected from the archaeological context. And so far the kinds of archaeology is concerned, uh, classical archaeology, prehistoric archaeology, historical archaeology, environmental archaeology, settlement archaeology, industrial archaeology, ethnoarchaeology, rescue or salvage archaeology, underwater archaeology, public archaeology. And archaeology is relations with both social science and the natural science. And first we discuss the archaeology with geology. Geology is the science which deals with the condition and structure of the earth and evidence afforded of ancient form of life. And what is geology? Geology is the study of the development of earth, especially as preserved in its crust formations, and the study of rocks, minerals, ores, gemstones, soil, land formation, landscape, river migration, river terrace formation, erosion, deposition, submergence of land masses, and under the study of geology. And one of the one of the important contribution of geology to archaeology is the layer stratigraphy, and this is the archaeological layer, and the previous one is the geological layer. And archaeology and physics, as you know, the application of physical methods in archaeology are various, such as it helps analysis of the location based on resistivity, magnetic and electromagnetic survey method, analysis of artifacts based on X-ray, fluence, neutron activation, etc. And one of the contribution of physics to archaeology, the carbon dating or carbon dating, TL dating, archaeomagnetic dating, potassium argon dating. These are the some datings which help the archaeology to reconstruct our past. And the potassium argon dating also, and geography, several methods and techniques used in primarily in geography are implied in the archaeologist. For example, there are several pre-excavation techniques, namely map reading, aerial photography, ground photography. So in this context we can take the help of geography. And so far as chemistry is concerned, the greatest role in the conservation of antiquities and archaeological monument with the help of a chemistry. I mean, when we excavate some sites, there are so many antiquities are retrieved, and for cleaning, repairing, and stabilizing the artifacts, we can take the help of chemistry. Other branches of science like oceanography, remote sensing, geography, GIS, microbiology, metallurgy, computers, and chemistry plays a very vital role in archaeological studies as it forms a new and a distinctly interdisciplinary subject. Archaeological chemistry dealing with the chemical study of the ancient materials. And that's why chemistry plays a crucial role in the conservation of antiquities and archaeological monuments. And like botany also very contribution to the archaeology, that is the dendrochronology, means the tree ring methods. And archaeology and anthropology means the sex, age, race, diet pattern. We can take the help of anthropology. And for the DNA test, we can take the help of biology. And for botany, as I said, the dendrochronology and the study of plant remains recovered from the archaeological sites is known as archaeobotany. And the greatest contribution to archaeology is palynology, means study of pollens, and archaeology. Thank you.